I need you to stop making stupid trades. Every time you see your setup, what happens? You take the opposite trade. Your setup is setting up and it says you should long it here, but you're scared because the stock is crashing down to your entry point. And so what do? You don't do anything and it goes without you. Or you're like, I think this is gonna actually become a short instead of a buy because it looks like it's heavy and it's coming to my main line where I need to get in. I'm just gonna short it because I think it's gonna break. And then what happens? You lose. I know how irritating that is. We've all proven that prediction is impossible. Trading is about trusting your system. If your system says you use VWAP and anytime a 5-minute candle holds right at VWAP and starts to move to the upside, you have to buy. Even though you're scared because there's emotions there, you're thinking, oh my God, there's negative news. Stop. Because you're not gonna be consistent doing the same thing over and over. And even if you're tracking all of that, you're gonna have a lot of random numbers, random trades. That's gonna be hard to distinguish if something's working. I wanna take this time to say thank you to our sponsor, Cobra Trading. Cobra Trading is the go-to broker for day traders and short sellers. And I'm not the only one saying this. In fact, Benzinga awarded Cobra Trading as the go-to broker for short selling. They have a heavy focus on direct market access order routing, so you have the fastest execution. They have some of the best locate prices and availability. They also have amazing customer service. I've experienced many different brokers, and it's why I use them every single day and why I'm proud to have them as our sponsor. Sign up now by clicking the Be the Trader referral link below and earn 1 free month of software with Cobra and 25% off all commissions. Now let's get back to the show. When you see your setup is saying buy here, even though the market is all crashing, either don't trade at all or buy. If you go against your setup, then you no longer have setups. What you're doing is you're trading emotionally. You're trading based off your bias. Only your setup is gonna help you be consistent. Your setup can't predict either, but your setup can help you be consistent. I know people, they're gonna see this and they're gonna think, okay, I'm gonna trade my setup, but every time I trade my setup, I lose. You're gonna be wrong plenty of times on the setup, and you're gonna be right sometimes. The difference is you keep your losses small, and when you're right, you ride it. And over time, you'll find out that's not a good setup, or it's a good setup. So you need to risk super small or paper trade. Risk $10 to make 30. Risk $3 to make 9, because it doesn't matter, right? You wanna risk 1 to make 3, because you wanna focus on tracking and trading your setup. Don't trust your bias, don't trust your emotions, because every time you do that, you are not trusting a system, which means you're trading randomly and you're taking stupid trades and you're not gonna be consistent. If you're curious, if you check out our Discord, there's a link below, it's free. You'll be able to see all types of chart recaps because we share our trades, and you'll be able to learn from that because we put details, because we want to help other traders grow. It's a community of people helping each other. There's no flexing allowed, so don't even come in there and do that because you will get banned. Follow your system, track the trades, listen to that. Don't listen to your bias and your emotions. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for being a fan of the show and watching to the end. To give back to you all this month, I actually reach out to Falcon Trading, and we're gonna do multiple giveaways this month. Here's what we're doing. We're gonna give away a computer. We're gonna give away a docking station, which basically turns your laptop into a computer station. A monitor mount that holds multiple monitors. So for those who have the dream of having that massive monitor station, we got you covered. And multiple $100 gift cards to lucky winners. All you have to do, click the link below. It'll show all the details of the prizes and the rules so that you know exactly how to win.